Hey everybody and welcome back straight onto the Bfxr6 project. So what we're doing this time is the front bonnet and the front bar. Now we've already jumped in, done a lot of work to this, leveled some stuff out. There's no rust in this, so it's good. So we've got to flip it over, get into that other side, and then we can undercoat all of that. We can get in and do the final coats on the boot lid as well. The front bar has been undercoated, so we're going to have a look at that, double check all of that, and then we're going to jump onto the rear bar, which we're going to do some special modifications and some repairs on. Then we're going to jump into the body of the vehicle. We're going to strip out the interior, get the door handles out, sand it all down, and then we're not going to be too far off, hopefully. Final prep work, getting ready for colour. So let's jump into this and yeah, we'll go from there.
I'll ask you one simple question.
So we've got a couple of spots here, a bit of surface rust coming through there and there, and just over here. So we'll get into that with the grinder and see how it comes out. Doesn't look like it's going to be too bad, so they shouldn't be too hard to fix.
Take me home and show me off to all your friends. I'll break your heart one way or another. Haven't you heard? I'm heartless at best.
So it turns out that this is actually a hole. So rather than butcher all of this and get stuck into it and do a far more pain in the ass, all we're going to do is we'll clean it up, rust proof it, and figure out a way just to dress it up so it looks good to get us out of a problem. If anything, it'll be another drain hole, I suppose, but at least we'll be able to get in there and rust proof everything in behind it. So same with that. This here's not too bad, just a bit of surface here. And yeah, go from there.
Tonight away.